Can dirt on your battery really discharge it? Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate why you need to keep your battery clean. Now all that dirt and dust can become carbonized, creating an electrical conduction which drains the battery. Now it's not the best conductor, but a conductor nonetheless. This basically means that dirty batteries can cause accelerated self-discharge. To test this, grab your multimeter and place both probes on the positive and negative terminal. 0.00 will indicate zero voltage drop, which is basically what you want to see. Next, the dirt that collects on the battery can become conductive and slowly drain your battery. With the positive lead on the terminal, move the negative around on the case of the battery. Once again, anything above zero means that it's conductive and slowly draining your battery. Now it's best to clean your battery with a combination of baking soda and water, which I will do off camera, and then retest the surface drain. But take a look at the difference in reading even if I just wipe away some of the dirt with a paper towel. So there you have it. A clean battery won't discharge as fast and therefore lasts just a little bit longer. And that's your battery's dirty little secret. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.